Hello, I'm Julie Kinscheck, and for this lesson today, we're going to discuss two very important areas of your vocalization. One is practicing, but one big piece of practicing is warming up. So we're going to hit both of those things. If you were to get my book, Vocal Training for Praise Singers, and you were to look in part 14, practicing alone. The first thing I ask you is, why do we practice? Well, what happens when you practice? Give you a second to think about that. When we practice, we get better, right? Simple. When we practice, we feel more confident about our skills, about what we have accomplished, what we can accomplish. When we practice, we actually work out the kinks of whatever we're working on, so that when we get on stage or in front of a congregation or a concert audience, we have our act together. Also, when we practice, we work on technique so that we can be better singers. In the next video, we will break down the 5 elements of effective practice, followed by a sample warm-up to help you have an effective warm-up routine.